STEM Academy YouTube channel, and in addition, welcome to Scratch Programming. Today's only the second lesson, so we'll do something on the simpler side, but something a little bit more intermediate. Today we're going to be moving characters, so let's start with the cat here. In the last video we saw that these events blocks are really the ones that control everything that happens in this section over here. This really controls, it uses the code that you put under it, and then it acts on the code that you implement under the blocks into this section right here. So we'll choose this block right here for events, which is when blank key is pressed, and we will later on choose different blocks to put under this to make this cat move. So we would go to the drop down and choose the right arrow if we want the cat to move in the right direction. So which area of blocks would we choose if we want to make the cat move? That's right, we would go to the motion blocks. So there are a variety of blocks we can choose for this one. So we would want to choose change X by. This essentially means that it would change the value on the x-axis, so in the horizontal direction. So if we press the right key, it would be moving right, and that's it. We haven't coded anything else, so only if we move the right key, then that's it. We can also, if we want to avoid our cat going out of the frame, we can always choose this block right here, if on edge, bounce. So if we start this again, it begins to bounce, as you can see right there. It won't let me enter out or exit. The character won't move out of frame. So if we want to make the cat move in the left direction, we can choose the same exact event block when we go to the drop down and choose the left arrow this time. To make it more simpler, you can choose any block, any key you want, but just to make it simpler to understand, we're choosing the right and left key. So we choose the left arrow when the key is pressed, and we go to the motion blocks again, which move the character, cause it to move. And in this one, we would go back to change X, and we would choose -10. So we can go over here, scan page. Now as you can see, when the left arrow is pressed, the cat begins to move in the left direction by -10 units. We can also change the units by, and you can change it to anything you want. We can change it to 100. Let's see what would happen if we go to 100. It moves a lot more in a more significant distance. So that's all we have for today. For homework, I would like you to make a cat or a car move. So we can go to the option, choose a sprite. There's an option right here. You can choose that and go to, you can type it in here. You can type in here, cars. And you can choose any of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can choose any of them and make them go in motion. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks.